Good morning, students. Standard 6. Today we will study movements of our body. Okay. This is your chapter 10. And this is a little bit very complicated chapter. Okay. So हम लोग बॉडी कैसा मूव करता है, हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल. Okay. Students, you know very well our body is made up of cells. Okay. And cells are the basic structural and functional unit of our body. Okay, where respiration takes place. Okay, and we get energy. Also cell form tissues form tissue systems. Got it? And then organ system, then organisms. Just like this is tissue. It is the simplest living structure. Tissue. Sorry, cell. Then tissue. Okay. Then tissue system. Okay. Then organ, you can say. है ना? Then come to organ system. Okay. Finally, we, the organism. Okay. This is the escalation matrix of our body. And cells are, these are the basic structural and functional units of our body. Okay. अच्छा. सेल का बारे में हम लोग बहुत पढ़ाई किए हैं. We find billions of cells in different shape and size in our body. Okay. Also, you know that tissues. Okay, students. So, you have already studied there are 4 types of tissues. Which, just like what? Muscular tissue, है ना? Epithelial, third one is connective tissues. Which tissue? Connective tissue. And fourth one is nervous tissue. Okay. So in connective tissues you will find bone. Okay. Bone comes under connective tissues. Got it? And combining all bones. Okay. पूरा बोन मिलके क्या बनता है? दस पूरा skeletal system बनता है. The skeletal system. Okay. Skeletal systems means you can say fingers. This is arm. This is wrist, arms. Okay. And this is, you know what, collarbone. I think here you will find collarbone. This is the what? This is the breastbone, and this is vertebra. Okay. Total skeletal systems. You will study about such things. Okay. And this comes under skeletal systems. Okay, students. Now come to the topic. The cell that make up multicellular animals are organized into tissues. A tissue, as you know, is a group of similar cells which cooperate to perform a particular function. Okay. And many tissues are grouped together to form an organ. Got it? And they work together to help the organ perform its function. A group of organs which work together with the help of body to perform life function is called organ systems. The 3 organ systems help us move in different parts of our body. Okay. You know muscular systems and nervous systems and skeletal systems. So in every parts of your body you will find muscles. Okay. Also nerves are spread over there. Also you will find bones which comes under skeletal system. So these are the 3 systems that help us in our movement. And जो इसमें एक कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज में जो सपोज ब्लड आएगा. ओके. ये तो मूवमेंट में हेल्प नहीं करेंगे, बट ये ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में हेल्प करता है। ओके, द मस्कुलर सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ मसल्स, द नर्वस सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ ब्रेन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड्स and nerves. It coordinates the working of the other systems. In this chapter we will discuss the skeletal systems in details. Okay, please open your book and it is page number 96, and on the left hand side of the page you will find the skeletal system. It is given in figure. See, the human skeleton or skeletal system is made up of 206 bones. Students, हमारे पास कितना बोन्स रहेगा? 206, बट जनरली ए बेबी हैज 300 bones. Okay, so more than in comparison to adults. But what happens, some bones in a baby fuse together. Okay, so later stage the number of bones decrease from 300 to 206. Okay, so you will see the structures. See, पहले क्या लिखा है? The school protects the brain. Got it? School, SKULL. Okay, जिसको हम लोग रैप लैंग्वेज बोले तो खपड़ी बोला जाएगा. Okay, ये क्या करता है? हमारा ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. It protects our brain. Protects our brain. एक सिंगल बोन नहीं है, it is also made up of some bones. Okay, next, bone of arm help us move them. Arm means you can say this wrist part and this is the arm part. Okay, these bones helps in the movements. Okay, and next come to rib, form a cage to protect lungs and heart. Okay, you see these are the ribs. Okay, just like what it encircles our body. Okay, so these rib cage protects our lungs, which lie on left and right part of the body. Bones of the vertebral columns help us bend and support the body. This is the back postures. Okay, you know, you will find some small bones are joined together, and this form the vertebral column, and it supports us to stand and also to bend. Next come to fingers. Finger have small bones, and these help us in grabbing some things or to hold something. Next you come to bones of the hip, that helps us to sit and stand and walk also. Also bones of the leg, means this person and this person. Okay, these are also helpful in standing, and you will find some bones here near feet and ankles. Okay, these are also helpful in standing. So these are the different types of bones. Okay, so let us discuss about functions. The bones of our body act as a framework or give it shape. We have a definite shape due to bones only, students. Okay, without bones our body would be shapeless mass, say like the mass of a snail. Got it? The bones gives our body support like the pillars of building or the frame over which an idol maker makes an idol. जैसे हम लोग मूर्ति बनाते हैं, एक सपोर्ट देते हैं उसमें, then you put some clay, just like our muscles are put here on the bones. The bones also protect delicate internal organs. For example, the skull protects the brain which lies inside it, and ribs protect heart and lungs. The third function of the bone is to help us move. It is the movement of the bones that helps us bend, run, walk, and so on. As you will read later in this chapter, the muscles attached to the bones help them move. All vertebrates move with the help of bones and muscles. We are the vertebrates. Okay. Next come to how injuries are happen. Doctors who help to heal injuries of bones, joint, and the muscles attached to bones are called orthopedic. Those doctors who work on bones and joints, these are known as what? They are known as orthopedic surgeons, or you can say orthopedic doctors. Bones can get cracked or completely broken in accidents. If someone falls, such injuries are called fractures. Okay, and they can also get dislocated, means slightly change in the original position. So, how do doctors know that the bone has got fracture? You know very well, it is with the help of what? X-ray. By taking X-ray of the image of the bone, and depending on the kind of injury, the doctor sets the bone and put the broken parts together. And puts the injured area in a cast, or that is also known as what? Plaster. The plaster prevents movement of the fracture bone so that the body can heal it. The break of the bone heal slowly by the addition of new tissue. Okay, it is a very long process. It takes a long duration. When one breaks each bone, because a lots of calcium and minerals is required for that. Okay. If the broken bone is not set in the right way, the bone might bend or not heal at all. Means, if the bones are not properly set, the chances of getting what? Cured is very difficult. If the injury is very bad, the doctor may need to perform a surgery, or you can say that is also operation. An injury to a muscles attached to a bone is called sprain. Okay. Sprain means some injuries to muscles that is attached to bone. A sprain can be very painful and the area can become swollen. Sometimes the doctor puts a crepe bandage around the area to prevent further strain to the muscle. A strained muscle must be rested. You must always see a doctor in case of an injury to a bone or muscle. Okay? So, these are something about bones and which are very essential for the movements of body. In the next class, we will study one by one the function of skull, the function of spine, rib cage, etc. etc. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice